your eye color says about you. For those with blue eyes, it is believed that you possess great inner and physical strength. You are seen as peaceful, smart, and kind to others. And interestingly, blue is often considered the most desirable eye color in the world. If you have hazel eyes, you're likely to be excitable, positive, and always ready for an adventure. People with green eyes are often seen as cautious, intelligent, and creative, excelling in stressful situations, and perceived as dominant and attractive by many. Lastly, those with brown eyes are thought to have brains that work faster than most, and research suggests they often excel in sports.